Fall in the garden. Everything's almost done blooming. Gets to this point, a lot of times I don't take as good care of it as what I do in the spring. Spring is when I spend the most time working on it, I guess. And it probably tapers off during the year. Here's where I moved these plants right in the heat of the day. I watered them really good afterwards, but there was these cornflowers here. I don't think anything's going to happen to those. And some of the things don't look dead. I think I probably use some water now. It just rained a couple days ago though. It looks like some of these things might be coming back. This is a forget-me-not, I think. And it's not only coming back, but it's blooming. And I don't know what this here that's coming back is. I should go through and water at least this part of the garden today. I don't know what this is, but it's blooming and it's coming back. So I suppose it is possible to move things in the heat of the day. I don't think I'm going to do it very often though. I wonder why this dale turned that color. Oh, even these coneflowers are just about done. I think I'm going to put more annuals in here next year. And less of these perennials like daylilies. One of the things fall is good for, this is just a weed, so I'm going to pull it up. One of the things fall is good for is going through and making plans for next year. I suppose every year's garden is going to be better than the old one. These right here are hibiscus I got from Farmer's Seed Company. Overall, I'm not very happy with that order, although these here are doing just fine. I have no complaints about these hibiscus. Although there's supposed to be 5 of them, I only see 3. But I ordered from their catalog. The day after it came, I sent in my order. I don't remember whether I did it online or by mail, but I'm pretty sure I did it online. And I think of probably the 7 or 8 things I ordered, only 2 of them were sent. These hibiscus, and I ordered 75 strawberry plants, and nothing was shipped until the middle of summer. The strawberry plants came in July, and Everything else on the order was canceled except for those two things. And of the 75 strawberry plants, of 25 of each of three different kinds, only a few, 2 or 3, survived. The rest of them, they even looked dead when I was planting them. But yeah, only a few of them lived. So I probably won't be ordering from them anymore. That's probably the worst I've seen from online catalog sales. This oak leaf hydrangea never looked as nice as what it did in the catalog. It was a great big plant, and I cut it down because it wasn't worth all the space it was taking up, because it didn't really look that great. The blooms were white and there weren't that many. It's oak leaf hydrangea. But you can see how big it was. But I probably won't be. I have to choose which of between it and the plants around it. In this case, I like this daisy. He's doing really good. A friend gave it to me from his garden. I don't know what this vine is here, but it's not anything I want. I must have pulled it up 100 times. There's more over here. Here's this other hibiscus. It's been here for several years and it's doing really good. These damn things here, they always keep coming back no matter how much I pull them up. They're all over the place. These moss roses are good. I think I'd like to have this whole area filled with moss roses next year, so I might just do that. There's been a lot of hummingbirds on this honeysuckle every day. Seems like there's some visited every day. And we're sitting there drinking our coffee, looking out the window, first thing. This has been here at least a day, so I'm going to dump it out. I'll have to fill it up, I guess. I never let the water in the bird bath sit for more than a day or so. Plumbago is blooming. It always blooms in the fall. It's got these tiny blue flowers on it. And this just spread all over the place in here. I suppose in a few more years we'll have this flower bed filled in. There's more of this stuff. This is lily of the valley right here. That friend gave me from his garden. These are astilbes. Everything would probably do a lot better if I gave it more water, actually. It's a maple tree. This is right here, Columbine. You'd probably be happier if I pulled up all this creeping Jenny around it. This is coral bells, and these are the blooms from it. And that's a weed. That's a maple tree. That's grass. This is creeping Jenny right here. This is morning glory all over the arch here. And all over the everything else. I haven't planted this morning glory for several years now. It just keeps reseeding itself and coming back from when I planted it several years ago. Nasturtiums are doing really good here, along with the marigolds. All these other, here's snapdragons. There's snapdragons right here. And marigolds. And here's nasturtiums. It's the bloom. Here's the leaves have these round shape here. Here was a bloom off of there's a couple more coming on too. Moonflowers. They're close relations to the morning glory. They're all in the same genus. But, This is lamb's quarters. It's edible, but I don't never allow it to grow. These are forget-me-nots. And these are tomatoes. We got a bunch in the refrigerator. Well, here's this flower bed I planted this year, all from packages of seeds. It's doing really well. These morning glories are great. love them. The zinnias. These are more zinnias over here. These are cosmos right here. I don't know what those are. These are cornflowers back here. They look like a daisy. I mean, a black-eyed Susan.